What do you do when you need a set of these? Well, my client had the perfect candidate. It's something I've done multiple times. You never know what you're going to get when you try to separate them. There are always new challenges, and this one didn't disappoint.
How to get those out?
Let me tell you, when trying to separate vanities or desks into nightstands, sometimes it can be extremely difficult to do it without damaging. So, being very careful as I go. But yeah, it can sometimes drive you crazy. Now it's on to the repair work. As you can see right here, there's a gap where the decorative back panel was. So I need to fill that. So I'm just using the piece that I removed, and I'm going to cut it down to size, fit it in there, and do some patchwork. Well, this is one of those times I probably should have been more patient for my glue to work. So, trying this again. Again, here I am still adding some trim. When you take these apart, a lot of times you've got to fill in where you took out some of the pieces of wood. So it's just a little quick fix, not that hard. Just get creative, use the scrap wood you have, and make do. Now that everything is sanded down, making sure there are no defects or repairs that need to be done, primed, we're ready for paint. These are so fun to create, especially when you have a client that brings you a piece that they are super excited about. I mean, we can't go wrong here. You have a piece that is beautiful, but it is now repurposed into something that the client can enjoy in a new way. Curious to know your thoughts. Are you team keep it together and just restore it, or split them up and make something new?